Tinalakay na isang komite sa Senado ang bagong senior high school curriculum na layuning mas maging madali para sa mga graduate ng K-12 na makahanap ng trabaho. Pero may inamin po ang Department of Education ukol sa bagong curriculum. Saksi, si Mav Gonzalez.
Bagong curriculum ang babati sa mga papasok na senior high school student sa ilang pilot school sa parating ngayong school year 2025 to 2026. Sisimplihan na ito at gagawing 2 na lang ang kasalukuyang 4 na tracks, habang magiging 5 na lang ang core subjects mula 15, magiging electives ang ibang subject. Pero pag-usisa ng Senate Committee on Basic Education, masosolusyonan na ba nito ang mga reklamong humaba lang ang pag-aaral pero hindi pa rin naman nakakakuha ng trabaho ang mga K-12 graduate?
But we guaranteed to our constituents with the additional 2 years in senior high school, we will reduce the number of years in college.
Sa survey ng kinomisyon ng opisina ni Senador Win Gatchalian, lumalabas na mas maraming hindi kontento sa senior high school program at K-12.
Parents have to shell out more money for transportation, food, for education, for their children. Senior high school diploma is not enough to get a better job, so they still want to go to college.
Ayon sa Department of Education, may 10% naman ng mga senior high graduates na nakakakuha ng informal jobs. Kaya layo ng bagong senior high curriculum na mas maging employable sila. Nag-uusap na rin ang DepEd at SHED para hindi magkapareho ang subject sa senior high school at sa kolehiyo. Pero pag-amin ng DepEd,
the 5 proposed core subjects are not enough for students to be college ready. They need to take electives.
Sabi ni Gatchalian, dapat bawasan din ang subject sa kolehiyo.
Top of mind is PE. We can push this down to basic education.
Pwede rin daw iayon sa magiging core sa kolehiyo ang kukuning subject sa senior high school.
May health services NC2 na kung iisipin mo, baka mas appropriate pa sa mag-nursing kaysa mag-take siya ng calculus at ng iba't ibang STEM programs. So baka po pwede nating pag-isipan siya more holistically that some of the NCs may give them actually better training, better preparation for the college programs they wish to take and have those credited already too.
Sa ngayon, may 727 private at public pilot schools. Pero puna ni Gatchalian, parang kakaunti ang rural schools o yung mga nasa bundok at isla.
I know that part of your rubrics is readiness, diba? But I think we should also consider the rural schools because the readiness of those schools is really a challenge. They might not be ready for the rest of for a very long time. Include more rural schools. The end goal of the pilot is to learn what's wrong or to learn what's right and to correct what's wrongs.
Sa school year 2026 to 2027, inaasahan ang full rollout ng bagong senior high school curriculum. Para sa GMA Integrated News, ako si Mav Gonzalez, ang inyong saksi.
Mga kapuso, maging una sa saksi. Mag-subscribe sa GMA Integrated News sa YouTube para sa iba't ibang balita.